Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, in the comments down below. Also, feel free to join VIP to get entry and exit of these plays that I'm getting in and out of. Also, get your free stock from Webull and Robinhood from down below. So let's go and take a look at the guys. Cosmos Holdings. So is Cosmos Holdings done as it did? I know a lot of people still is investing in this. They still got it on their radars. They still looking at it, trying to see what it do. So for starters, nobody knows exactly what any asset or security is going to do, guys. But from my knowledge and experience in the market, I can share my prediction or my opinion on what I believe is going to happen from here. So like I told you guys, usually with these penny stocks, you want a one night stand them. Like shout out to the comment. I love that. I'm going to use that. We stamping it. One night stand. That what we want to do to a lot of these plays, to majority of them. If it ain't Apple, Nike, Walmart, Tesla, marijuana, we want to be one and done with them. You get what I'm saying? And of course, it's more than what I just said, but I'm just giving you guys the surface, the top part of it. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a further look at this bad boy. So we ended the day at 45 cents, down over 17.8% today. And after hours, we fell another 3.8%, making it overall 21.6%, 21.7% down, guys. That Cosmos Holdings is down. So it's interesting that what I'm seeing here is the volume, the community, the people is still here, but the price didn't reflect to it. It came down today. And I saved a lot of people. If you follow the channel, if you've been watching the videos, you know on Cosmos Holding what I told you guys on last night's video. I said if it break below, where was it? I said if it broke down below 50 cents, I believe, because we had ended. It was 53 cents. I said if it break down below 53 cents, guys, I would sell because that is about to come all the way down to around 43, 44 cents. And if it break that, it's going to come all the way down to 36 cents. And I said I would sell at 53 cents. And then I would, if you still decided to buy because the volume's there, still looking like it could possibly run back up, I would start rebuying in the 30s and 40s. So if you follow that, you saved yourself a lot of money because it dropped over 20% today, right? So I prepared you guys for that. And now someone may say, well, what is looking like from here? What is it about to do now? So from here, guys, now that we came down here to that 44, today we hit a low of 43.8. So we came down, test this support right here at 44. I'm gonna show you guys right here on the chart. I'm gonna show you guys better than I can tell you, so you can learn exactly what to look for instead of just, taking people's word for it. Look at it for yourself. You know what I'm talking about? So right here, I just got it right for you guys on the chart. You see right there where I drew that line that's support showing at 44 cents. That's exactly where it hit at today. And good thing it held it. It didn't continue to drop. But it's looking like it might, guys. But from the volume and the community still being behind it, by, the catalyst, this thing could possibly, jump back and catch people slipping. Because that's exactly what it tried to do towards the end of the day, but end up falling again in after hours, guys. So if it does come back, if it on tomorrow, if it doesn't hold this 43, 44, which I don't think it's going to hold, I think it's going to scare some more people out before jumping up because there's so many people got so much money on the line, a lot of retail investors. I just know how the market makers like to do. I could see it coming down and revisit that 36. And if 36, it should bounce off of 36, especially if the volume is still there. So tomorrow is really going to be the real decider. I don't want to, tell you guys this, that, and third. I just told you the coordinates. Right here, we're looking like we got support at 44, which it don't look like it's going to hold. It's going to come down, retest support at 36. And if it bounce off 36, the only way it's going to do that is if the volume is still in play on tomorrow, guys. So we got to go with the flow on this. Not really go with the flow, but that's what you're looking for. Looking for volume tomorrow. If volume is still there, it has a chance to bounce. I believe it could definitely, bounce, especially if it go ahead and break 44 and come down to 36. That give day traders, short-term investors a real indication that, they'll be likely to load up even more there because it bounced before and it's a way cheaper price. They see the opportunity, right? So that's exactly what you want to look for going tomorrow. That's what you want to use. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all.